Hello guys. Welcome back to R.J Tech. In this video, I will tell you how to create a new user on Windows 10. So let's go. First, click on the Start button and then click on the Settings. Now open the Accounts and then click on the Family and Other User. Now click on the Add Someone Else on this PC. Then type the email address of other user, otherwise click on the I don't have sign and information. Then create an account or click on the Add User without email account. Now write the name and password for other user and then write the answers of security questions. Now click on the Start button and click on the profile icon. You will see the other user will be shown. Now click this user to log in on other user. I hope this video is very useful for you. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.